Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. A warm and graceful evening to our most valued, honorable chief guest of today's function. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. अजीम लोग, सब अजीम लोग अपनी ज़िंदगी से हमें याद दिलाते हैं कि हम अपनी ज़िंदगी को शानदार बना सकते हैं और रवाना होकर अपने पीछे छोड़ सकते हैं वक्त की रेत पर कदमों के निशानात. Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. हर आदमी में होते हैं 10-20 आदमी. हर आदमी में होते हैं 10-20 आदमी जिसको भी देखना हो कई बार देखना. ऐसी ही एक शख्सियत हमारे दरमियान मौजूद हैं, मिस्टर मोहम्मद इस्माइल. एक इंसान लेकिन बहुत सी खूबियों का मजमूआ. कहा जाता है कि उस्ताद कभी रिटायर्ड नहीं होता, वो अपनी नस्ल में ज़िंदा रहता है. वो कौम की रगों में खून बनकर बहता है. और कुछ लोग अपनी सर्विस का दौरानिया इस अंदाज से गुजारते हैं कि वो ज़िंदगी भर के लिए अमर हो जाते हैं. ऐसे ही कुछ लोगों में काबिल कदर मोहतरम मोहम्मद इस्माइल का नाम भी आता है. आप शोबा तदरीस से 36 साल तक मुंसलिक रहे, बल्कि यूँ कहिए कि आप DPS डिवीजनल पब्लिक स्कूल एंड कॉलेज फैसलाबाद से 36 साल तक मुंसलिक रहे. और यूँ लगता है कि आइंदा 36 सदियाँ भी आपकी काविशों, मेहनत और इदारे से मोहब्बत को सराहती रहेंगी. Before saying anything, before doing anything, let us discuss about the life of Mr. Muhammad Ismail. Mr. Muhammad Ismail joined Durina Public School and College as a teacher on 30th October 1985 and performed the following duties. He worked as a teacher of mathematics, assistant housemaster of Tariq House from 1985 to 1998. And in this duration, Tariq House remained champion for 11 years. He became housemaster of Tariq House in 1998 to 2004. And in this duration, Tariq House remained champion for 5 years. He remained timetable in charge for a long period from 1987 to 2005. He had also been excursion tours in charge for the duration of 1999 to 2004. He remained deputy assistant hostel superintendent for the year 1996 to 2000 and hostel superintendent from 2001 to 2006. And when the administration of Divisional Public School and College recognized his love, his devotion for the institution, he was selected as senior headmaster of boys section for the year 2004 to 2010. And then in 2011, he joined Durina Public School and College GMA campus, our own campus. He was chief representative of purchasing committee. During his job, he worked all major projects. He worked on all major projects. He was an active member of security arrangements for installation of CCTV and walk-through gates, in charge of football team, chief organizer of sports day, chief organizer of parents day. He had been chief organizer of fun fair, of art and craft science exhibitions, arrangement and implementation of academic calendar, arrangement of excursion educational tours for the students and staff. He had been conducting teachers' evaluation and writing the ACR reports, Arrangements of precautionary measures against dengue fever mosquitoes in the campus. In his supervision, many training workshops were also held. In SSC examination 2009, DPSNC got second position, overall second position in 2010 as well. In 2011, DPSNC got overall first position in Board of Intermediate Secondary Education Faisalabad. Remembering his academic acknowledgements, he was given a certificate of merit and shield for showing excellent performance in SSC examination for the year 2007 to 2009, and he got the certificate of excellence for obtaining 107 A plus grades out of 187 in the history of DPSNC boys section. In 2008, Certificate of Merit and Shield for showing excellent results in mathematics as a best teacher was given to him from Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Faisalabad in 2007 and 9 also. कहानी यहाँ ख़त्म नहीं होती. हेडमास्टर मोहम्मद इस्माइल DPSNC GMA को ज्वाइन करते हैं और यहाँ भी अपनी मेहनत और लगन के साथ अपनी ज़ेरे निगरानी उस्ताज़ कराम की तरबियत करते हैं और फाइनली आखिरकार 2018 में रिवीना पब्लिक स्कूल एंड कॉलेज GMA कैंपस से एक स्टूडेंट ओवरऑल फर्स्ट पोजीशन हासिल करती है. उनके हिस्से में, उनके एजाज़ में बहुत सी चीज़ें आती हैं. Words are unable to express our feelings of gratitude, love, and compassion for the support, guidance, and confidence that you gave as a head, as mentor, as a leader, as a father. My heart just flows away flooded with the feelings, with the sentiments. We, as your team, stood, fell, stood, and fell. And now we are finally able to stand with your help, your management, and guideline. In your supervision, we lived as a family. Your services are untold, but the results of services is very vivid, shining, bright on the horizon of DPSNC Faisalabad. Sir, your dedication is admirable. Your work is incredible, and many eyes witnessed the growth of our own beloved GMA campus under your leadership. If I say that you are our mentor, your advice, your encouragement, your reinforcement made us what we are today. This might be a farewell message to you, but you know that you'd always hear from us that we shall keep missing you as a head, as a leader, as a boss, as a father. Working with you elevated us, polished our skills, our learning, and most important of all is that our institution has flourished in your kind leadership. जिनसे मिलकर ज़िंदगी से इश्क हो जाए वो लोग, जिनसे मिलकर ज़िंदगी से इश्क हो जाए वो लोग, आपने शायद न देखे हों मगर ऐसे भी हैं. तेरे किरदार को इतना तो शरफ़ हासिल है, तेरे किरदार को اتنا تو شرف حاصل ہے، تو نہیں تھا تو کہانی میں حقیقت کم تھی۔ لفظ ختم ہو جائیں گے لیکن آپ کے اندر موجود خوبیاں اور آپ کی ڈیڈیکیشن جو کہ آپ اس ادارے کے لیے رکھتے ہیں وہ شاید ختم نہ ہونے پائیں۔ یہ شام اس لیے بھی اہم ہے کہ اس شام ہم آپ کو الوداع کہنے کے لیے جمع ہوئے ہیں۔ شاید میں لفظوں کے مجموعے سے حق نہ ادا کر سکی کہ آپ کے بارے میں بات کر سکوں، لیکن صرف اختتام میں اتنا کہنا چاہوں گی، کہانی ختم ہوئی اور ایسی ختم ہوئی کہ لوگ رونے لگے، تالیاں بجانے لگے۔ شکریہ۔